Hello everyone, in this video I will discuss about the ASCII value. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information and Interchange. The ASCII value represents the character variable in numbers, and each character variable is assigned with some number range from 0 to 1 to 7. For example, the ASCII value of capital A is 65, B is 66. It is a character encoding standard for electronic communication. So I want to print ASCII value for A, like printf %c. %c will print the character value for the value of integer value 65. So 65 and print ASCII and character. You can see capital A has been printed. If I use 66, then capital B will be printed. That's why if I use 48, the ASCII value is C, %C, and ASCII value is 0 for 48. So the character 0 and its ASCII value is 48. That's our ASCII values. I want to print more and more. Printf %c, and then want to print its ASCII value. So %c, then %d, that will print the integer value for our ASCII 48. So 0, the ASCII value 48 represent character 0 and it is 48. That's why again you can print like this %d, and then capital small t. The ASCII value for small t is 116. Again I have it, here is the space character. The ASCII value for space character is 32. So that's why you can print ASCII values. I just want to print all the ASCII values. So I want to run a loop. One to 7, 127 less than or equal plus plus printf %c and the ASCII value for that character. Here %c is character and %d is the ASCII value for that character. Here I refer 0, then the ASCII value for the 0 will be ASCII character will be print here, and then 0 will be printed. That's why it will work. Let's suppose I equals 70, then % will be 70 I for I, and I is 70, and the character that refer to 70 will be in ASCII will be printed. Oh, I haven't closed the line with semicolon. Oh, I didn't write I. The condition is not completed. So now for I equal 0, I less than or equal 1 to 7, and I plus plus. I just need to use line break. Here you can see all the ASCII values from 0 to 127 has been printed. That's are the ASCII value and their characters. The character for their value 10, 11, 12, 16, 70, 18, 19. The ASCII value age equal 104 is the ASCII value for the character age. I 105, J 106, that's why 170. I can also print it from 0 to 255. Here you can see all the ASCII value for 0 to 255 has been printed. Thank you everyone.